see what we got. Hydro thread. Okay. Alright. Diablo wheels cleaner. Cherry wet wax. Alright. Beanie. Alright, the beanie. Well, it's hot in Texas, but I guess. And easy Creme Glaze. Cool. Oh. Vitalize Wash. I haven't seen this soap though. Alright. What else? Oh, so like, what is this? All cleaner, all-purpose cleaner. Okay. Not surprised though. And this is a premium gray. Okay, large drying towel. I mean, it's really big. I like it. Some stickers and the white bucket. I was hoping I got a, foam cannon, something. But this is what we got for $50. I don't know if it's worth it or it's not worth it right now, but